Hey guys, it's Dajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Glam Patrick Star makeup tutorial. So I was like, I did SpongeBob and I really loved the way that it turned out, and I was like, let's do Patrick because I feel like it's just so cute, and I just love doing like cartoon characters and turning them into like a glam makeup look. I think it's so funny. I think it's so like unique and creative. Not that I came up with this idea or anything, but I just love doing that. So if you guys want to see my Glam Patrick Star makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. I basically just filled them in with black, and now we're gonna go in with, this is the picture. This is my reference picture, everyone. So yeah, except for the glitter, I don't think I'm gonna do glitter, but yeah, that's kind of the vibe I'm going for, like a Glam Patrick Star or whatever. So first I'm just gonna take the Athena palette, and I'm gonna take this pink, and I'm gonna kind of like conceal my brows with that. Now I'm gonna set my eyes with some loose powder. Now we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Alexa Stone palette. I know it's really dirty, just ignore that. And we're going to take the first shade in the purple row, which is like a light purple shade. We're going to take that and we're going to put it on the outer corner and also on the inner corner, which we're going to do a halo eye. Now on a BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush, we're going to take the second purple and just put it basically in the similar spot that we put that light purple on the outer corner and also on the inner corner. I'm going to take a Morphe M433 brush, and we're going to take the third purple, and you guessed it, we're just going to put it in the same spot, but you want to leave some of the other shades like peeking out on the corners so it gives like a nice gradient effect. I'm going to take that same brush and we're just going to take the darkest purple and put it on the outer corner and also in the inner corner. This small Juvia's Place blending brush, and we're going to take a little bit of the black and just put that on the outer corner as well. Now we're going to take a big flat brush and we're going to take the lightest purple again and just put that in the middle of the halo eye. A little bit of the white from the Athena palette and put it in the middle of the eye just so it gives like a nice brightness, and it kind of looks like it's like glowing kind of. Now I'm going to do a black wing liner. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera and this is what it's looking like. So now we're just going to move on to face. We're going to take the Athena palette and we're going to use the pink that we used to prime our eyes with, and we're just going to put that all over our face. Now that we have pink all over our face, we're going to go into the pink that's right under that pink in the Athena palette, which is like a darker pink. We're basically just going to contour with that. I'm going to take the white from the Athena palette and basically just put it where we would put concealer to like brighten it up. So we're just going to put it under my eyes. on our chin, nose, forehead, and cupid's bow. Now we're just setting everywhere where we put that white. I mean, basically our entire face with some loose powder. Now we're going to take the Makeup Revolution palette again, and we're going to take the darkest pink on a fluffy angled brush. We're basically just going to bronze or like contour with that. You want to make sure to pat so you're not getting rid of any of the cream product that's underneath. Okay, now we're going to take the darkest pink and we're just going to do some like circles around our face. Kind of like how we did with SpongeBob. But not as like dark and prominent because he does have like some spots. That's why we're just using eyeshadow, because we don't want them to be too like vibrant and dark. We're going to take a small brush and we're just gonna put it under our eye. This is literally the hardest thing for me every single time I do makeup. I'm gonna take some white. I don't have a white eyeliner, so we're just gonna take the white from the Athena palette and we're basically just gonna tight line under like the bottom lash line. And now for lips, we're gonna take the dark purple from the Athena palette and basically use that as lipstick. So I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished Glam Patrick Star makeup tutorial. I love it so much. I feel like I say that with every look, especially during Spooktorial season. I just love doing like these types of videos. I think it's so fun. I think it's so cutesy to turn like a cartoon character that we all like know and love into like a glam type makeup, and I feel like a pink wig would very like solidify this, or if you like have a bald cap and put it on and then kind of like create it into like a star shape, that would also be really cute. And yeah, this is just the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below if you want to watch a previous episode of this season or other seasons of my Spooktorial series. That'll also be linked down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.